Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do an easy upgrade fix on my Ferrari 308. I got the levers that are in the center console. The labels, it's a metallic part. It's worn out after what, 35 years. Gonna show it to you. I found the parts on Superformance. I just got them and I think it's gonna be an easy fix. Again, quick video, something that if you have one of these cars, I think the GTB and the GTSI, like this one, they share the same center console label. So let's have a look at that and make that change. All right guys, so you can see the levers here, worn out. Look at these labels. They actually come off and I had to glue them back some time ago. Now I need to remove them. So I bought new ones, which is just great. Same metallic part, and it's got adhesive in the back, so that should be an easy install. And I believe these come off so that then you can remove this. I got a very small screwdriver. Try to remove this. I think there's, I think that will come out very easily. But let's get on with that. That's gonna be a nice, good looking upgrade here with original parts. All right, so let's begin with the first one. I'm gonna do the one in the center. It's the one I got out. And yeah, so you have to pull this part. It comes off nicely, so that was easy. And then let's see how easy it is to remove the metal plate. This one's pretty stuck. I don't want to damage it. Okay, it's out. It's gonna come off. It's gonna come off. Sweet. Oh, that's old. Very old glue. And I don't know if I have to remove any of this old glue. Let me see. Yeah, some of it. Yep. Make sure that the other one is nicely flush. Yep. Perfect. It's coming off nicely. All right. So I've removed most of the old glue, and let's get on with installing the new one. And remove the backing tape. That is great. It looks great, but it's not sticking. Why is that? Of course, because it's practically no glue. So I need to put a couple of drops of some glue that I have, and that will make it really permanent. Let me do that now. All right, so I'm gonna use my Loctite super glue gel control. I've used this for many other car parts, and it's very effective. Just need a couple of drops just to make sure that it's nicely in place. Honestly, you don't need much. It's a very effective gel type substance. So let's try it again. There you go. I think you need to keep it in place until the glue does its work. That should be okay. That was easy. And then you put this lever back on, and that's it. I mean, looks great. I'm gonna show you closer as soon as I finish them all. Alright guys, very happy with the result. Look at how they look. Some easy fix that will bring new life to your Ferrari center console after 35 years. Look at how they looked before. All faded and almost illegible. So super happy with this. Thank you, Superformance. Here's the description of the part if you want to have a look. It's the lever plate label set, GTBI, and yeah, an easy and inexpensive fix. Very happy with it, guys. So that was a quick video just to bring you on the journey of bringing this Ferrari back to former glory and keeping its character while we do it. So hope to see you again soon. Take care.